Farmers are actively advocating for their right to repair machinery, challenging John Deere's proprietary software policies that hinder independent repairs. This grassroots movement is gaining significant national attention. In response to restrictive policies, unauthorized software modifications, often termed hacking, have surfaced as a popular trend among farmers. This risky method involves collaborating with overseas programmers to find alternative solutions. As frustrations mount, the demand for older John Deere tractor models is on the rise. These models allow farmers the freedom to conduct repairs without corporate interference. This trend underscores the growing discontent with the company's policies. The Federal Trade Commission's lawsuit against John Deere brings to light concerns regarding monopolistic practices that restrict competition and negatively impact consumers within the agricultural sector. Additionally, John Deere's recent bribery scandal in Thailand illustrates the ethical and legal challenges it faces internationally, potentially resulting in severe penalties and significant damage to its reputation. As John Deere grapples with escalating legal issues, questions emerge about the effectiveness of its internal compliance mechanisms and corporate governance practices. The absence of centralized compliance monitoring has allowed unethical practices to flourish, highlighting an urgent need for enhanced oversight across John Deere's regional divisions. Internal audits have shown that compliance training is often viewed as a mere formality, leaving employees ill-equipped to navigate anti-bribery regulations effectively. The company's stock has faced declines as investors express concerns about the associated legal and financial risks, resulting in downgrades from major investment firms amid ongoing investigations. The economic rationale for relocating operations to Mexico includes lower labor costs and beneficial trade agreements that enhance export capabilities for companies like John Deere. However, this move raises significant quality control concerns. Maintaining the durability and precision associated with American-made products presents a challenge in a different manufacturing environment. The impact on local U.S. communities is profound, as job losses contribute to economic instability and the decline of businesses that previously relied on John Deere's workforce. This situation highlights the push for aggressive measures to preserve jobs in the U.S., illustrating the tension between supporting domestic industries and the potential increase in costs for consumers. John Deere's transition to manufacturing in Mexico exemplifies the trade-offs companies encounter between reducing production costs and facing backlash from American workers and consumers. The complexities inherent in modern economics compel policymakers to pursue competitive strategies for domestic manufacturing rather than relying solely on tariffs and restrictions. Within John Deere, employee reactions have expressed disappointment and concerns regarding the company's cultural future, particularly relating to diversity and inclusion initiatives, as many feel abandoned by recent decisions. External advocacy groups have criticized John Deere's choices, arguing that they undermine progress toward workplace equality and could jeopardize the company's reputation among socially conscious professionals. Ultimately, this controversy raises a crucial question about corporate social responsibility, as companies must find ways to balance financial objectives with the ethical expectations of both consumers and employees.